Miss Thompson, I just
Or
use
we
the
can be
same
making sense.
4/3 pi over pi r squared, right? To find that.
Yes, I think that is the correct formula.
I think it's r third, right?
R cubed, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, R30. Yes, that's fine. So 4/3 pi r cubed, I believe, is the correct formula. I don't know. I don't have it in front of me.
Miss Thompson, how many decimal place do I have to ground the A number in front?
The A number should be, because it's IB, and it would be 3 significant figures, so 3. So 3 numbers, 2 decimal places.
Mm-hmm.
Miss Thompson, if I send you my answer, can you check it? Like type
Sure.
it? Okay.
I mean, y'all are technically working together. You can just say it out loud.
Okay, I got 9.6 times 10 to the third.
9.6 times 10 to the third.
I got 9.63.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I got that too. I got 9.634 10 times to the third.
Maybe because I'm in degrees.
Will you just do it to 2 decimal places? I think that's what she said.
Yeah, 2 decimal places. So yeah, it would be 9.63 times 10 to the third. Do you know what your units would be?
Centimeters?
Centimeters.
Cubed. Cubed.
Yes.
Wait, I keep on getting 5.47 or 547.
Then you're probably not typing it into your calculator, right, Leonard?
Leonard, did you multiply it by pi, then multiply it by 4, then divide it by 3?
Wait, okay.
Miss Thompson, I have a question.
I have answers, just don't know if they answer your question.
Okay. For the second part where it's like find the radius, do you set it equal to the answer you got in A, like the part where you already simplified and did the sig figs, or do you like do it to the
Anytime you're using a part of like, you don't have to do it with the sig fit. Yes, with significant figures, it doesn't have to be in scientific notation form. But anytime you give an answer, like in part A, that means you're allowed to use that answer continuing on, which normally makes the problem easier.
Okay, cool.
Wait, what did you guys get for part A again?
9.63 times 10 to the third.
Okay.
Leonard, do you understand it though?
I'm not there yet. I'm trying, but I'm not getting the right answer yet. I don't know.
What equation for the volume of a sphere are you using, Leonard?
I'm just using pi r. I thought I was just using pi r squared, but then
it's a
That would
different
be
formula.
the area of a circle, so a different formula. So for the volume of a sphere, it's 4/3 pi r cubed,
okay.
which I think is on your formula sheet. I think.
Okay. I don't have my formula pulled up right
That's
now, so
Did you guys solve the second problem?
Yeah, I did.
What'd you get
I got 170.
for the
How did you get
radius?
that?
Did I mess it up? I might have.
Yeah, Rohan messed it up. What did you
I
get?
got 12.91.
And when you round it for IB, you get
13.
yeah.
Wait, what did you do? What did I do wrong? That's
To find the
And just make sure you have your units, Andrew. But yeah, go ahead.
oh yeah, centimeters.
Oh wait, I forgot to take the square root. I got 12.9.
That's it. And then the question asks for it in two significant figures.
The
So
13.
Wait, are you guys talking about number or B?
Yeah. Wait, so it's 13.
yeah, 13 centimeters.
Do you have to find the volume of a cylinder first?
Yeah,
The-
exactly. Sorry.
Go ahead, Rohan, you got it.
So you know the formula for volume of cylinders, pi r squared h, right? And you just take the volume from the other one and set it equal to, and then they give you the height, so then you just solve.
Okay, cool. Alright, thank you.
What you guys get for B?
13.
And
Have you done the last one? Have you done the second one?
Like the building one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you help me out with it?
What should I do? Share my screen? Like
Yes,
share the whiteboard?
I guess, yeah.
So the building is like this.
Mhm.
It's the cell tower is 6.4 meters up. So the cell tower is like that. This is A. This is B. And the cell tower is 6.4 meters high.
Mhm.
So AB is 6.4.
Okay.
And then you have the angle of depression to C. To C is 49 degree. And then you have the angle of elevation from C to the top of the building. So it is from C to B.
Mhm.
This one is 45 degree. So because the ground and the vertical line that you use for the angle of depression, they're parallel. So this angle is
Yeah.
gonna be equal to this big angle.
Yeah.
So this small one is 4 degree.
4 degrees. Okay.
And then you're gonna use sine rule to find BC. You have this angle to AB, and then you have to find this angle also, like this one. Because 49, this whole big angle is 90 degree.
Yeah. So that one's
This one is 41.
41. Yeah. Okay.
And then you find BC, and when you find BC, you'll be able to find this one.
Oh, because the 45, 45, 90 rule. Okay.
Yeah, or just Pythagorean theorem. Sure, Rohan.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that too.
Wait, can you explain? How do you know that is that 41?
Yeah, so that one's 41 because at the top, that blue line that comes across out from the cell tower
Uh-huh.
and the cell tower, that makes a 90-degree angle.
Oh, okay.
So the two pieces, you just add them together.
So wait, knock. So 6.4 sine 4, right, is equal to
Over sine of 4 degrees.
yeah, 6.4 over sine 4 is equal to BC over 40 sine of 41.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
What? Did you just do?
I'm just gonna write it down.
Oh, you just did sine rule?
Mm-hmm.
But then once you find BC, that's not the last step. Then you use BC to find the height of the building.
Ms. Thompson, how could you use the Pythagorean rule to find the height of the building?
Not just your sign identity is what you did, right?
I did sine rule for the height too.
Well, technically, I guess it's sine rule, sort of. You're using over sine of 90 though, which is just 1. So it's just the sign identity So it would be the height of the sine of 45 is equal to the height of the building divided by BC.
Yes, yes.
What's the final answer then? Because I got 42.56.
I got
Yeah, when you round, that's right, Rohan. You just have to round it, and then
Oh, it's the 42.6.
and then your units.
Did you guys get a negative number for the sign?
No.
Make sure you're in degrees, Jacqueline.
Miss Thompson, could you repeat that very last part about like using BC? Because I'm still a little confused. Like,
Okay, so once you have here we have this line BC. So BC is the side that you just solved for. And then you can relate it using the 40, the angle to get the height of the building. It would be 41 degrees. So sine of 41 is equal to the height of the building divided by BC.
okay, got it.
Okay, so once you get the height of the building, so you add what you found plus the 6.4, right?
No.
I
You
thought
just
you
find
45. If we're doing not 41.
Not 45. The last angle you use is 41.
You use 41?
Okay. So the reason why I'm jumping in on my iPad. Sorry guys, I can't click. I'm too old for that. Shut up.
Did
Yeah,
I
4 days.
Shut up. They don't need to know how old I am.
Miss Thompson,
What's up, Liz?
isn't it her birthday?
It is her birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
birthday.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Stop it. You guys can do this to her on Friday
No, I can't.
before your test.
Thompson, we're going crazy for your birthday.
Okay. All right. So we have the last step that we have is this triangle here at the side of the height of the building. But we had this whole angle was 45, but we had determined that this little angle here was 4, right? So then the remaining angle that we're using for our right triangle would be 41 degrees. And at the end of your last question, you just figured out what the hypotenuse here is for BC. So then the last equation you have to find the height of the building, that would be opposite of 41. So you have sine of 41
Miss
is equal
Thompson.
to the height divided by BC.
Miss Thompson.
What's that?
Isn't the angle 45 from point C to point B instead of like to point A? So why is it?
Is
being-
it? I'm not gonna lie to you. I was
Angle
looking,
elevation of the top of the building from
yeah,
C.
so then
to
it's 45. Sure.
Okay. So you don't have to break. Okay.
I honestly didn't look at the question until I was just looking at Knox's picture at the end.
Yeah, Miss Thompson, where you had 41, it's 45, and the whole thing was 49.
Got it.
Yeah.
Oh, because of the angle of, got it.
Yeah.
The angle of depression from point A.
Yeah, it's 49. I got it.
Okay, wait. So why do you do the height over BC?
Okay, Jacqueline, for the love of all that's holy, I need you to learn sine, cosine, and tangent.
Oh, so okay. That's why.
Yep.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna be nice.
What did you guys get for number 2?
42.6.
42 point
Don't forget your units.
meters.
Thank you.
Squared.
Okay, wait.
Oh, it's
no.
not really- no,
Miss
it's not.
Thompson.
What's up?
Miss Thompson, I didn't know you had to do sine of 45 and then do opposite over hypotenuse. I thought you could just do opposite over hypotenuse.
Okay, but if you did opposite over hypotenuse, you don't know what height is. So what are you setting it equal to?
Oh, I don't know, man. Just kidding.
Wait, okay, Miss Thompson.
Yeah.
I'm still confused. What do you do after you find BC?
Oh my
Okay.
god, you just wrote it out. It's sine 45 equals h over whatever you found.
No, but like why? That's what I'm
Okay.
confused.
Because it's SOHCAHTOA, so you do sine, so you do
Oh.
sine equals opposite over hypotenuse.
We have a triangle. Here's the top of the building. You just found BC, right, Liz?
Yes.
Okay, this angle here was 45,
Mhm.
and I want to find this length. What is a way, considering this is a right triangle, I can relate this side, the height, to BC?
Oh, okay, never mind. I see.
Okay.
Wait, can you go back? Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that undo button is so clutch.
Miss Thompson,
What's up?
my guess is that the angle in the circle problem is in radians, correct?
That's correct, but it's not just a guess, Leonard. How do you know it's in radians?
Because A, there's a degree sign there. B, that would
You
there's-
got it. That's all the answer I needed.
Okay.
Don't tell me about the picture because pictures are not always drawn to scale.
Miss Thompson, I have a question.
What's up, Rohan?
How many radians are in a circle?
Boy, you did not.
A
You
lot.
did not.
I wasn't here that day. Oh wait, it was probably
You weren't here that day. That's been the unit circle.
2.
No, not just 2.
2 pi.
Thank you, Andrew. My
Wait,
sophomore
but, like-
words.
Proud of you.
No. I get that. I'm just saying like it says 2.7, right? So I'm like, how do you go? Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like in the 2 point whatever? Because I get it in like the 2
2.7
pi.
pi, it's just 2.7. What's your question?
Like, what's the total? Like, I understand like 2 pi.
2
I know
pi.
that. That's it,
2
That's
times
the total.
3.14.
huh?
2 times 3.14.
2 times
Oh,
3.
2 times pi knock. You can't round early. It's not a lesson.
Oh, that's true.
Wait, so if we add all the stuff up, we get 2 pi?
Yes.
So it's like approximately 6.28.
Don't do this approximately stuff with me. Type in 2 pi into your calculator. Stop rounding early. That's why you get wrong answers.
6.28318537.
Or, 2 pi.
Yeah, okay.
How do I round this? I don't know if you see it, but
I can't see it very well.
Use a pi until the very end.
it's a very long number, so
Just leave it as 2 pi. Like solve the equation, like
Miss
write out your
Thompson.
equation using 2 pi. And then
Miss
at the
Thompson.
very end, you use that last step. What, Jacqueline?
Is our test Wednesday or Friday?
Your open-ended test is Wednesday. Your multiple choice test will be a shortened version on Friday because we have early release on Friday.
So we have a test next class.
Yeah,
And
you
the
have a
food
test-
product's not gonna
you
come
have a
anymore.
test next week.
Oh, next week.
I mean, no, next class. Jesus. Stop talking while I'm talking to my students. I'm gonna kick you out.
I live here.
It's my house.
Excuse me.
All right. Yes, next class you have a test. Friday you have a shortened multiple choice test. I'm just letting you know that it's going the opposite order. Normally you have your multiple choice first, but instead you have your open-ended first because you have the longer class on Wednesday.
Miss Thompson,
What's up, Knock?
could you clarify which which kind of formula to use when it comes to the length of the arc and stuff? Like, I see that there are many
R theta.
that has radians in it, so I don't know which one to
R
use.
theta. It's on your notes for 4.5. The highlighted ones are the ones that are on your formula sheet, which I think length of an arc is R theta.
Mhm.
That's the formula for length of an arc.
But then on Delta Math, it is using the different one.
I think part of the reason why on Delta Math is because I could be mistaken, but they start giving you stuff in degrees, right? Yeah, and so you have to, all of these formulas have to be in radians, so you have to convert it to radians. But the problem's already in radians, so you just use LR theta. L equals R theta.
So why can't we just convert it? Okay. Wait, what's the answer for A and B? For A, did anybody do it?
For the first one, I got 50.2655.
No.
I got 21.6.
Yeah. Leonard, you just multiply the two numbers together.
Okay.
I mean, yeah.
Are you sure you're not rounding early, Brohan?
No, I literally got exactly 21.6.
Yeah.
What did you type into your calculator?
Oh, well, I converted it to degrees and then solved
Don't do
it.
that.
Okay.
Although I just typed in the 8 times 2.7 and I got 21.62. Like there's nothing more.
But it's asking for the length of the major arc AB. You found the length of the minor arc AB.
Okay.
What did you guys do? Because
So what you just found.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So in formula, like you found this side, but that's not the side that you need to find. You need to find the other side.
Yeah.
So in terms of the formula, you need to take the whole angle, like you need to find the other piece of the angle. So it would be 2 pi minus 2.7 times 8.
Got it.
Oh, okay. Well, I have a question.
What's that?
Could you find the circumference and then just subtract what we got?
That's literally what this equation is. If you distribute the r, then you would have 2 pi r, which is the circumference, minus what you got. Yes. But what you run the risk of doing with the fact that you found an answer is you might round yours. And when you round yours early, you run the risk of getting a pre-rounded answer.
So the answer 28.665. So to 28.7.
Units?
It is.
What's your units?
Centimeters.
Yes. Yes.
Wait, what did you get again?
28.7 centimeters.
Yeah.
Wait, but then what's the difference between part 1 and 2 if it's asking for the perimeter of the shaded region?
So the perimeter of the shaded region is the entire shaded region, just not the outside, not just the outside edge.
Oh, so you add 16 to it?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, so we're just taking the answer we got and adding 16. I'm confused about the perimeter.
Nope, that's it.
What did you guys get for that one?
I got 44.7.
I got 44.27.
I got 44.7, Leonard. You just add 16 to your previous answer. Knock, what'd you get for the area one?
The area I got 115.
Yeah, I got that too.
But what are your units?
There's no unit about it.
Centimeter squared.
Just
Miss
trying to
Thompson,
get y'all in the habit. Just trying to get y'all in the habit.
How many points off do you get if you forget the units?
Usually 1
Like for the entire test or per question?
per question.
Oh,
It depends on your it depends on the test. It depends on your grader sometimes. That's considered a gray area for marking.
Oh.
So depending on your moderator.
and the mood they're in.
But you know what I say, it's err on the side of caution and be your moderator's best friend.
Okay.
Miss Thompson.
What's up, Jacqueline?
Okay, I just went on Delta Math and okay, so I finished my Delta Math like yesterday and I was on Delta Math yesterday and I did not see the circles at all. Like I literally was like I finished the other one and got 100%. So
I'm willing to what happened, I don't know how it happened. I have like an automatic default to make things due at 11:59 p.m. but somehow it made it 12 a.m., which made it due on Saturday. Technically, like Sunday first thing in the morning, which I mean, if we're being honest, you should have seen that long before yesterday. But I understand that you're one of those people who likes to wait until the very last minute to get your homework done. So what I can do is extend, like I'm not going to put in the grade until Friday for the 4.4 and 4.5.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And I'll make sure they're, it should just say late credit available, but I'll,
Yeah.
Ms. Thompson, for B, do we have to essentially do the entire circle minus the small sector? Or
for B,
yeah, or is it just 1/2 r squared theta, like just that straight up equation?
for B, like for the, is that the area one? Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, I thought you were talking about A part 2, my bad. So it would be the 1/2 and then the angle, but just make sure you use the correct angle.
Oh,
So it would be 1/2 times 8 squared times 2 pi minus 2.7.
okay, that's where I went wrong. Okay.
Wait, Miss Thompson, can you say that again?
Yeah, 1/2 times 8 squared
Mhm.
times 2 pi minus 2.7. Because since you want the shaded region, you need to do the angle you're using for the formula for 1/2 r squared theta. The theta you need is 2 pi minus 2.7.
Wait, is this for B for the
Yes.
area?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Thompson.
What's that?
Okay, so if a shape is like, okay, wait, I'm gonna have to share my screen. It's like this. Wouldn't this cancel out that?
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, so then I don't have to find it.
Well, you're looking for the perimeter of the object, so they're not canceling.
It would cancel if it was area, but not for perimeter.
I get what you're asking, but
So once you find this, you'll know what this is.
yes, exactly. So you have 2 of them.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Miss Thompson, I have a question.
What's up, Rohan?
It's on the 3rd page. I just don't know how to solve like the second part, if that makes sense.
Hang on one second. The 3rd page. The first one or the second one?
The first one. I just don't know how to solve the second part.
Okay, so the area of the shaded region, I would find the area of the sector and then subtract the area of the unshaded triangle.
Okay, but like,
Makes sense.
Wait, can you say that again?
So for part B, I would find, I think, I'm just glancing at it. If I would find the area of the shaded region, because they tell me what it is, and then subtract the area of the unshaded triangle. Like you can find the area of AOB, that sector.
how do you do it without the radius?
You,
Rohan, are you on the maximum mark 6, like the second circle problem?
No, I'm on maximum mark 7. The second.
you,
Oh.
you,
You
Uh,
group them?
hang on one second. I don't want to, I want you to like discover this. So it might take me a second to come up with a prompt question that lets you figure it out rather than me just giving you the answer.
Okay.
if you write it out with r as a variable,
Mm-hmm.
you should be able to solve it. So you know what the area of the shaded section is, right?
35, yeah.
Okay, so you set that equal to, like how you would find that would be the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle.
Yeah.
So plug in those formulas with as many of the known values as you have, and then you should be able to solve for r. Does that make sense?
So like, okay. Kind of. I'll figure it out. Okay. So like for area of sector, right? So it'd be 35 is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So 35 is equal to 1/2 r squared theta minus 1/2 base times height.
Well, not just 1/2 base times height, because you know more information than just that.
Do we?
Yes.
Wait, how?
The triangle that you see that's unshaded,
Mm-hmm.
you should know what the base is. You know what OC is.
Wasn't OC just r cos 1.2?
And then for you're saying 1/2 base times height,
Uh-huh.
but it's 1/2 base times height sine of, okay.
Oh, 1/2 sine AB.
So here for the area of the sector, when you plug it in, what do you get? 1/2.
R squared theta.
And then what is your theta?
1.2.
Perfect. Okay, and then you're subtracting the area of our triangle, which would be 1/2 r, and then what is the other side?
What do you mean? Like, oh, like, is it r cos 1.2?
Yeah.
Miss Thompson,
What's that?
I thought that we're using two sides of the right triangle.
You're using two sides of a right triangle, but you're not using, you don't know what AC is.
Can you make AC? Can you make AC r times cosine sine of 1.2?
Yeah, because that was like the path I was
You
going down.
could this is sine 1 point. I ran out of room. 1.2. Like that's the end of the formula. That looks like 1/2. Sorry.
Wait, so why would you have to multiply 1/2 r?
Okay, so the formula that we have is 1/2 AB sine C, right?
Oh, okay. Okay.
So if I'm using this angle, then it's the angle that's between the two sides. So this becomes 1/2 our A would be OA and our B would be OC, sine of C. So this is r cosine 1.2 and sine 1.2. There.
And then r is your variable, so you just solve from there.
Yes.
It's gonna be a lot of solving. Okay.
All right, Rohan.
Come on.
Rohan, I just think you're just gonna group it. You're gonna group 1/2 of r squared into one side and the other, and the whatever's left on the other side.
Yeah, I was just gonna do that, and then like I was just gonna make it 0.6 r squared minus whatever it comes out to be.
Mm-hmm.
Miss Thompson, what do you get? Oh.
Make sure your calculator is in radians.
Oh, that's why.
Wait, Miss Thompson, when you grouped it, right? Where did one of your R's go in the third line?
1/2 r times r cosine 1.2 would be 1/2 r squared cosine 1.2, and then I factored out the 1/2 r squared.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, y'all have a little bit over 10 minutes left. So you know. What you doing, Mikkel?
Just chilling.
Mm. Here are the answers for the next question. I'm just keeping going in order. Just so I'm recording this and I'll post the video later. Obviously, you still need to try it and work it out on your own, but that way y'all have access to these answers as well. So there's the next one, and then give me a second, I'll do the next one.
Wait, did you put it up?
And this is the very last one. Just make sure at the end, the other class that has seen this problem already, the step that they forgot was that since it's asking for the volume of the pipe, like you'll find an answer for the area of the water in the pipe, but you still have to multiply it by the length of the pipe to find the volume. So make sure you don't forget that last step, but that should be the final answer. So I think in the duration of this video, we've gone over all of the answers. Okay.